Hi, tricked ya. So it's a little bit later and obviously I'm drinking all of my coffee, but today I just wanted to share with y'all like a lazy Sunday routine, day in my life type situation. So you pretty much saw my morning, and then I just kind of got ready, but not really, still just in comfy clothes to lounge around all day. But now it is about lunchtime and I'm super excited because HelloFresh is actually sponsoring this video. I've worked with them in the past and I am obsessed. If you don't know what HelloFresh is, it's a meal delivery service that gets delivered right to your doorstep, so you don't have the hassle of having to go to the grocery store, meal plan, prep, and all that. It's all done for you with HelloFresh. HelloFresh also has meals that fit any diet, whether you're vegetarian, pescatarian, or whatnot, they have it. If you are like my family, then you probably always cook way too much food for the amount of people eating. So with HelloFresh, it kind of cuts down on that because all of the portion sizings are pre-done, so you don't even have to worry about that. HelloFresh is also super flexible, so if you want to skip a week or if you need it delivered to a different address for a week, and obviously it's super yummy. I wouldn't continue working with them if I didn't love all of their recipes that I've tried so far. Literally all the times that I worked with them, I've saved all of my recipe cards so that way I can recreate them in the future because they're so good. And I'm so excited because I have a code for y'all. You can use my code Graysie14, I'll have it on the screen, to get up to 14 free meals across your 5 boxes with HelloFresh. I will also link that in the description box. Today, out of the 3 meals that I got, I am gonna do the chicken Euro Bulgur bowls. Bulgur, okay, I was right. All right, so I'm super hungry, let's get started.
Missing someone, love with all your heart. Missing someone, love with heart. How much you miss her, and you miss her. From the start, and you did it right from the start. Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone. Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone. Love with all your heart. Missing someone. Love with
Okay, so I just got done and that was actually super fast. It took me under an hour and I was moving around the camera and doing a lot of stuff in between. So I love quick and easy meals, but they're also still home cooked. So obviously mine doesn't look exactly like theirs. I don't know what the best way to go about this is. Like I kind of want to mix it up so I can get a good bite in everything. I feel like this is like the perfect type of lunch because it's got like the salad and the chicken. It's just like a light, nice lunch meal, I feel like. Okay, here's my bite. I tried to get a little bit of everything. Kind of a big bite, but it looks so yummy. Super good. Literally tastes just like Greek food that you would get out to eat. It was so good. I just took my mom a bite and she approves. That's another thing about HelloFresh that I really like is that I feel like I'm constantly getting to try out different cultures of food, but making them myself is really cool and knowing how to. Okay, one more time, I'm gonna put it back up on the screen. You can use the code Graysie14 to get up to 14 meals across your 5 boxes with HelloFresh. And again, I'll have that in the description box below. Y'all at least need to try it one time, but I promise you'll be hooked after that. Now I'm about to make my mom a bowl because she really liked it, and clean up. Clean up is super easy. I did not use a lot of dishes at all. So I'm gonna finish eating and I'll talk to y'all in a little. Okay, y'all, so I just got that all cleaned up and now I am just chilling on the couch. I am actually exporting a video. It's the Tempted behind the scenes one. I don't know what I'm gonna call it yet. I think I'm gonna chill and sit here for a couple hours, or maybe not that long, but I'm just trying to get ahead on my YouTube game a little bit. So I'm gonna start editing this one already as well. So I just need to go through all of it and see what's going up this week and just plan out my week. That's kind of what I like to keep Sundays for, is still being productive, but also just like prepping for the new week, but chilling at the same time, if that makes sense. So it's been about 2 hours, I think. I don't really know what time it was when I sat down. I got a lot done. So I got this video edited all the way up to this point. I got another video edited and uploaded, thumbnail made. It's live. It's the Tempted one. And I've updated a couple things on the Tempted website, since there will probably be some traffic on it with my last video being dedicated to Tempted. So I wanted to make sure that it was clean and looked good for just in general, but also because hopefully there will be extra traffic to it after that video. I don't know what I'm gonna do right now. I feel really accomplished that I got that done. To be continued. Okay, so I just went to the gas station and got a slushie. I was craving one. I'm about to take a bath because if you didn't watch my last video, you wouldn't know that I have poison ivy literally all over my body. I'm not even going to show y'all because it looks so bad. It's so gross. My mom has these oatmeal bath treatments that I'm going to use just to, supposed to help with the itching and stuff like that. I wouldn't say that mine's very minor, so I don't think that it's going to make the itching go away completely, but hopefully it'll help a little bit. I'm going to do that, and then I think me and my mom are going to pull out some fall decor and decorate. I'll keep you updated, but that is what the sitch is right now. I just recorded this entire outro and it wasn't recording. Anyways, just recorded a little skincare ASMR for y'all. Hopefully it didn't fail miserably. I recently have gotten back into taking care of my skin. I kind of let it go down when I first started my job because it was just something I put on the back burner. I was too tired. I would take my makeup off with a makeup wipe and that was it. I can definitely tell that my skin is grateful that I'm actually taking care of it again. It just feels so nice and it's a lot more glowy than it has been. I did end up doing the oatmeal bath and honestly it burned like crazy. I don't know if my skin is just like raw from all the treatments I've been trying to do to it to soothe it, but it was terrible. I stayed in there for 10 minutes and then I had to get out. So put lotion all over my body and I decided, okay, I'm just gonna get ready for bed and chill and watch Gilmore Girls and end the vlog. I am so excited for what is to come in the future of my channel. I finally feel to a point where I can consistently keep up with this and also enjoy it at the same time. But that also goes with knowing what y'all want to see from me, so please leave me a comment letting me know if you like more of the casual lifestyle vlogs like this, or if you want to see some dedicated videos to Tempted or to how I curl my hair, my everyday makeup routine, things like that. Let me know, because I know I haven't done any of those things in a long time and they've definitely changed since the last. But I haven't thanked y'all for all of the love and support that was shown to me from my first video back, and I'm super grateful. Reading those comments literally makes my day and makes this even more so something that I want to continue to do for as long as possible. I love y'all so much. You have no idea. Alright, but now I'm gonna chill out. I hope y'all have an amazing week. I don't know when this is going up. I think it's probably gonna be like midweek anyways, but I hope that you're having an amazing week or an amazing day whenever you're watching this, whether it's way off into the future or the day that I upload this. But I'll talk to you later. Bye.